Today, we've got some thrilling news to share about Mullen Automotive. Rumors are swirling about potential buybacks, partnerships, and even a possible acquisition by major players like Ford or Tesla. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's get started. Alright, let's dive into the price action of Mullen stock for July 28, 2023. The stock opened at 12.3 cents, and it closed at 12.46 cents, remaining unchanged from the previous close. Throughout the day, the stock reached a high of 12.46 cents and a low of 11.5 cents, showing a range of 7.8%. Now, let's take a closer look at how the levels of support and resistance influence the stock's performance. Yesterday's resistance levels at 13.15 cents, 13.85 cents, and 14.89 cents seem to have an impact, as the stock reached a daily high just below the first resistance level. On the other hand, the support levels at 11.92 cents, 11.37 cents, and 10.67 cents held firm, preventing the stock from dipping below the lower support level. One noteworthy observation is the daily volume of 173,362,272 shares, which is slightly below the average volume of 423,979,814 shares. This could indicate a reduced level of trading activity for the day, potentially influencing the stock's movement. It's important to keep an eye on these key metrics, as they can provide valuable insights into the stock's behavior and potential price direction. Let's delve deeper into the recent news about Mullen and its stock buyback program. We'll highlight Mullen's $25 million stock buyback program, which can be a significant event for investors. A stock buyback, also known as a share repurchase, occurs when a company uses its available funds to buy back its own outstanding shares from the market. This action reduces the number of outstanding shares, which in turn increases the ownership percentage of each remaining shareholder. It's a way for a company to return value to its shareholders and signal confidence in its future prospects. However, the stock buyback program is currently in a blackout period, which means that insiders, including executives and employees, cannot buy or sell the company's shares. This period is implemented to avoid any potential insider trading or market manipulation ahead of important company events, such as earnings announcements. Speaking of earnings, the article mentions that the earnings report is expected to be released between August 10th and August 22nd. The specific date is still uncertain, but there are rumors circulating about a potential date of August 14th. If that's the case, then August 16th could mark the start of the buyback program, assuming the blackout period ends. Mullen's upcoming shareholders meeting on August 3rd is another significant event to watch. During this meeting, various proposals will be presented to the shareholders for consideration. While the details of these proposals aren't disclosed in the article, they seem to have raised some skepticism among investors. Depending on the outcome of these proposals, they could have varying impacts on the company's financials, operations, and overall market perception. One particular concern mentioned in the article is the possibility of stock dilution. Stock dilution occurs when a company issues additional shares, either through a stock offering or other means, which can dilute the ownership percentage of existing shareholders. This often leads to a decrease in the stock price, as the company's ownership is now spread across a larger number of shares. However, the article also notes that under specific circumstances, stock dilution might not necessarily be a negative sign. In certain cases, stock dilution can be seen as a strategic move by the company to raise capital for expansion, investments, or acquisitions. If Mullen's management is pursuing such growth opportunities and operating in a market sector with strong potential for future growth, investors might view the dilution as a means to fund these initiatives and drive long-term value. Additionally, the article mentions Mullen's involvement with Cox Automotive, specifically in relation to Cox Automotive's mobility division. The presence of Cox Automotive as an M1 partner further solidifies Mullen's position in the electric vehicle market. Partnerships like these can be crucial for expanding market reach, accessing new resources, and enhancing technological capabilities. Overall, as investors, it's important to keep a close eye on how these events unfold, as they could have significant implications for Mullen's stock price and long-term prospects. The upcoming earnings report, shareholder meeting, and buyback program could all play pivotal roles in shaping the company's future trajectory. Remember, the stock market is influenced by a myriad of factors, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. Let's start by looking at the resistance levels that lie ahead. As of the given date, we have 3 significant resistance levels to keep an eye on. The first level stands at 12.78 cents, which may act as a barrier for the stock price to advance further. If the stock manages to break through and hold above this level, it could signal a potential bullish momentum, possibly pushing the stock towards the next resistance level. The second resistance level is at 13.10 cents. This level represents another crucial point where the stock's upward movement might face some resistance. However, if the stock manages to conquer this level with strength and sustains its position above it, it could indicate a strengthening bullish sentiment, potentially leading to further price appreciation. The third and final resistance level stands at 13.74 cents. This level may prove to be a significant challenge for the stock to overcome, as it could attract selling pressure from traders looking to take profits. Yet, if the stock successfully breaks above this level and manages to hold its ground, it might open up the possibility of even higher price targets in the near future. On the other hand, let's discuss the support levels that could come into play if the stock faces a downward correction. The first support level is at 11.82 cents, which might provide a cushion to the stock's decline. If the price approaches this level and holds above it, it could indicate potential buying interest and support from investors. The second support level is at 11.18 cents, which holds additional importance in protecting the stock from further downside movement. Should the stock test this level and find support, it might help stabilize the price and potentially trigger a bounce back. Finally, the third support level is at 10.86 cents. If the stock's price falls to this level, it becomes crucial for investors to monitor how the stock reacts. A strong rebound from this level might signal a potential reversal and a bullish upswing. As with any analysis, it's essential to consider various factors that can influence the stock's price, such as overall market conditions, industry developments, and company-specific news. Technical indicators and trading volume can also provide valuable insights into the stock's behavior. Remember that trading in the stock market involves risks, and it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consult with financial professionals before making any investment decisions. And that's a wrap for today's Mullen stock analysis. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. Remember, the stock market can be full of surprises, so always do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay updated on the latest news and analysis, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Feel free to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below, as we love hearing from our incredible community of investors. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey, and until next time, happy investing.